Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be taking a deep dive into the altcoin market because wow, what a day. We are looking at the total 2 chart here. So this represents everything but Bitcoin, and the last time I updated this was around these levels, and I put something out on my Twitter saying I thought altcoins was absolutely ready to make their move. And wow, what a day, what a week, and what a move. Everyone's getting really excited again. So we need to watch out for some key levels now on the altcoins, but really nice to see as we was prepared for this. So I'll show you my tweet that I put out back in the middle of December, and then we'll get straight into analysing some of the altcoins and straight into analysing some of this total 2 market cap chart. So if you haven't already, smash this video a like, comment down below, let me know what your favourite altcoin is and how it's performing, and subscribe if you want. So yes, let's get straight into it, guys. This was from December the 22nd, so we just come down to the bottom of the range on the total 2 market cap chart, and I said altcoins look absolutely ready to make their moves, and we had the target set out in advance for this move, and that is exactly why we was buying them altcoins that we've been previously making videos on at them key levels, and why we were so confident as to why we may move up when everybody was saying, you know, we've got further down to go, it's so depressing, the market's going to continue to be bearish. This was the chart that was giving us a big clue, and as you can see, it's really nice. That was back here, right at the bottom of the range, and now we are skyrocketing to the upside, and we are looking now to clear these levels. So let's jump straight back into the charts, and you can get a better idea of what I'm seeing on the altcoins. So the reasoning that I thought the altcoins was ready to make their moves was, if you can see these wicks here, we had a nice range, and I just felt like this range was being manipulated quite a lot, where we had candle wicks down below, wicking back into there, and then this candle body right here closing below and then getting back above, wicks everywhere. It was a clear sign, in my opinion, of a bit of accumulation going on there in the total 2 market cap chart, and obviously that doesn't mean too much in terms of what altcoin's going to do what, but realistically, when you are looking to buy an altcoin, you do want to be looking at the total 2 and the total 3 market cap, because it can give you the clue. Often the total market caps will give you a bigger clue as to what's going to happen in the market, realistically, rather than looking at the big boys in the market, Bitcoin, Ethereum. You can look at the market cap chart, see what's going on. Accumulation is what I saw there, and that's why I said I thought altcoins was ready to make their move. And really now, I am looking for these levels to come into play, these wicks to the upside that haven't been cleared. All of the wicks to the downside now look to be cleared. We have left a few on the way up here, but realistically I think this is looking quite impulsive, and what I can see happening is let's just, everyone who's buying today, let's give them a bit of fear, come back up, and then give them a bit of excitement, come back down. I think we're really going to work these ranges and really start to make people panic and FOMO into the top of the range, and then probably get a move back down into the middle of the range, something like that. And that would be a nice, just a really nice market structure where we are clearing the highs, we're clearing the lows, and then the market will probably set out to do what the market wants to do. But there is a lot of empty space up here, which is why I thought, and my bias really was to the upside. These big bearish candles, in my opinion, do need to come in and get filled, because it's a lot of empty space there. So let's just jump into some of the individual altcoins now, analyse a bit of what's going on there, and that'll do for today. So I'm going to start out with Hedera Hashgraph, the one and only HBAR. You guys know the other day I made a video and we was down at these levels, and I was saying I'm a big buyer of HBAR right there, because I could see a nice ending structure here, a nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 capitulation down into a nice zone where I was looking to enter, and from there we are now up around, I think my entry zone was around $3, around, we'll have a look at the percentage now. I ain't even looked at that today. I should have really had a look. It was around these areas, around 20%. So really nice gains at the minute. And I'm not seeing it stopping there too much, to be fair. I'm thinking with a nice trend-based Fibonacci with a 5-wave move to the upside, I want to be looking at about the 3.618 here, so around 5 cents for HBAR. And then I would really be looking for something like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that. And I'd be expecting us to come back down into this range of price action here. So wouldn't really want to be FOMOing at the top of a wave 3 here. I'd want to be waiting for a nice 3-wave pullback, something like that, and waiting in around the 4 cents mark. So if anyone's feeling FOMO, don't try and buy the big green candles. There's been a reason why we've been accumulating with the big red bearish candles, and it's so we can benefit from these candles to the upside and not have to feel that FOMO and feel like we're missing out. So yeah, that was just a quick one on Hedera hash graph. I can really see this moving to the upside, and on a bigger picture, I am looking at, oh, look at all this empty space. It's unbelievable. Empty space to the upside. Empty space to the upside. Oh my, it's unbelievable for HBAR. I'm really looking at around the 16 cents mark, somewhere around there. I know it's a big zone, but it really comes back into previous price action. And it's a lot of dead space right here. Not much price action has gone on in the past. So I think if we do end up getting that 5-wave move, come back down, that Fed wave is going to be huge for HBAR. So I won't really be rushing in for HBAR right here if I was anyone who hadn't got a position. But yeah, let's just move on now to ADA Cardano. And as you guys know, Cardano's been one of the biggest movers in the market, and the reasoning as to why I thought Cardano, and I made that video the other day on Cardano, was maybe setting up the move to the upside from buy zone number 1 that we had marked out, was just really that 5-wave structure again, like we saw on HBAR, like we've seen in many of the charts in the past few weeks, setting up really nice ending move there back into the buy zone for us to break out. And now again, I would not be anticipating or wanting to rush into the big green candles. You know what you get if you buy the big green candles, guys, and I don't want to say it on here because I'll probably get in trouble. You just don't want to be doing it. So even if we are in getting a 5-wave move to the upside, something along these lines with Cardano, I would expect maybe at least a dip back down to this trend line. And you can see we are getting a bit of a rejection now, but often when we do leave these wicks to the upside, we will come in and get them filled anyway. So I'm expecting in the short term Cardano to keep rocking up, and then at some point come back down into the price action. That would be at least around 29 cents, 28 cents, and then look for what's going to be going on there. So again, don't want to be rushing in on the big green candles, guys. Not a great idea. You want to be looking at the big red candles to the downside in clear buy zones at Fibonacci levels to then benefit from these moves to the upside. And to round up with, I think we'll just have a little look at XRP, because since we made our last update where we was talking about the wick below the trend line, getting back above, realistically now for XRP, like I said on my Twitter update the other day, looking for a move down to come in and fill some of this wick down here, get back to these levels, and then realistically, my upside targets right now are at the 1.618 for XRP at around 70 cents to come back into this price action right here, something like that, where we have a lot of empty space to the upside, liquidation of the lows before then moving to the upside. I can see it playing out. Altcoins are looking good, the market's looking brilliant, and if you've been watching my videos over the past couple of weeks and months, I really appreciate it. But you know, we've been able to benefit from this. We've been able to point out the key Fibonacci levels, what we're looking at and what we're expecting, and now we just need to let the market do the work. And of course, it's not financial advice, but if you've benefited, if you've liked these videos, give it a like, give it a comment, subscribe down below, and yeah, follow me on Twitter, CryptoRyan17. Go watch all of my previous videos of what we've been talking about. If you want a bit more in-depth analysis, I'll continue updating, of course. And yeah, I will see you next time, guys. Cheers.